We will guide you through how to change hoodie color Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and wait until the workspace has finished loading. Open the photo or project containing the hoodie you want to recolor, then allow the image to appear completely on the canvas. Go to Image on the top menu to access Photoshop's image editing commands. Select Adjustments to reveal the available direct color and tone controls. Click Replace Color to begin changing the hoodie's existing color. Select the eyedropper tool inside the window. Click a clear area containing the hoodie's main color, avoiding skin, hair, accessories, and the surrounding background. Use the Add to Sample eyedropper to click additional hoodie shades, including lighter fabric, darker folds, seams, and shadowed sections, so they become part of the selection. Adjust the fuzziness slider gradually until most of the hoodie appears in the selection preview without extending the color range farther than necessary. Inspect the preview carefully and confirm that skin and background areas are not included. If they appear, lower the fuzziness or refine the sampled shades. Move the hue slider slowly to change the hoodie color, watching the live preview until you find a suitable replacement. Adjust the saturation to control the color's intensity and modify the lightness if needed to make it brighter or darker without losing fabric detail. Click OK to apply the replacement. Then inspect the hoodie closely and confirm that its folds, highlights, seams, texture, and shadows still look natural. When the recoloring looks clean, save the editable project as a PSD file or export the finished image in your preferred format for sharing or final use.